ECOS, environmentally clean operating system. It's designed to wash and reclaim the water to safely clean building sites and facilities anywhere around the United States of America.
And I noticed this is a Landa product. Is it something brand new that Landa has?
Yes, introduced at the CETA show in fall of 2010. You're seeing the ECOS trailer system. We have some patent pending technology in this system. Yep, ECOS, environmentally clean operating system. We have transheat technology we're using on this system, which increases the efficiency of the burner by 20% and decreases the emissions by preheating the water from the exhaust from the engine.
Well, that's fantastic. It's about time somebody has done something like that.
Yeah.
Everybody always worries about the environment water-wise, but never thought about the emissions.
Yep, well, we're doing both. Yeah.
That's fantastic and great. What was your name again?
Patrick Maher.
Patrick Maher.
Yep.
Thanks for your time, Patrick.
Thank you.